right, today's video, we are gonna take you on 3 hikes right in Coeur d'Alene or very close to Coeur d'Alene, just to kind of show you what you can do here as far as outdoor activities. This is what we do for work.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we sell real estate.
That's right, houses. We sell houses.
Some impressive elevation. You think there's more? I think it's like 1,800 feet of elevation gain. I don't know if that means down and back or total, or up, whatever.
Oh, just up.
Yeah. We've probably hit like 400 already.
Oh yeah.
Shit, we're halfway there. This hike is not for the beginner hiker, I would say.
No.
That
No.
stretch there was pretty gnarly.
Yeah.
I hate to admit that I've lived here 5 years and I have never been up here.
What if one comes at you, dude?
Goat?
Yeah.
I think we just discussed my rather primate-looking physique. I think I can handle a goat. We just talked about that.
Cold, but I'm sweating.
Yeah.
I don't want to put my jacket on.
It feels real good.
Feels good. Feels like it could dump hail and rain on us any moment. But we're getting peaks of sunshine too, so yeah. Good day. Good day to bang out 3 peaks.